These are super crispy, golden brown keto crackers. 3 carbs for 8 of them. It only took 20 minutes to make. Keto crackers. They're low carb. There's 3 net carbs per 8 crackers. I don't even think I'd eat 8. So it's a really good cracker. It's probably the crunchiest thing that I've eaten since I've been keto. And let's get to it. Need a mixing bowl. And I measure in grams. This is 85 grams of sifted almond flour. And it goes. And this is real Parmesan cheese. And I chopped it up a little bit. You can see how fine that is. So that's 57 grams. So off we go with that. A little bit of salt and pepper. I've got a 1/4 teaspoon of each. And we go. Just going to mix this up. This is so easy. This is 1 beaten egg, and we're going to put in 3/4 of it. Just 3/4 of the egg, and we're going to use the rest just for brushing on the top. So just about that much. I'm going to stir this with a fork now, and we're going to create like a little bit of a dough. Okay, that's about as far as I'm going to go with that. I've got the Crown Verity set at 325 degrees. You can do it in the oven too. I'm going to, this is a little silicone mat. It goes in the oven. And I'm going to take this, put it into a ball right on top like this. Just put a little piece of parchment paper on the top and just kind of roll it. We want to roll it to 1/8 of an inch thick. Okay, so I've rolled that to 1/8 of an inch thick, and I'll just peel this off. It looks pretty good. And what I'm going to do is dock it, and that's just take a fork and just put holes in it like this. Then I'm going to use the back side of my knife and just kind of score it in such a way for the size of the crackers that I want to have. We can snap them off later. Okay, so before it goes on the grill, we want to put a little bit of the egg wash on the top. Add some nice color to it. There we go. Okay, so we're going to cook indirect. So we've got heat, and no heat in the center, or go into the oven. 20 minutes, and we'll rotate it and flip it as necessary to get it nice and crunchy. Oh yeah, this looks really good. It's hot. 325. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, just like one big cracker. Okay, there I've got them all cut up. Look at that. Can you hear them? Look at how crunchy they are. Crispy. I'll take the good crackers and save them for the crab dip. Wow, thanks for watching.